Like drinking your own urine?
Sure.
Okay.
I've been drinking my urine daily for 4 years.
Well, the devil may have gone to Georgia, but in this case, it seems Chloe Driver brought her own demons. And that's the question. Was Chloe Driver acting as an angel of mercy or under the influence of a polygamous cult when she killed her 13-month-old daughter, Hannah? Well, the devil may have gone to Georgia, but in this case, it seems Chloe Driver brought her own demons along. And that's the question. Was this cult mother acting as an angel of mercy, or was she under the influence of this polygamous cult she belonged to when she killed her 13-month-old daughter, Hannah? Well, thanks for tuning in on this quick video on what's happening in the Chloe Driver murder case down in Georgia. This heartbreaking case explores claims of psychosis, delusions, and life in a nomadic religious cult with chilling evidence and emotional courtroom testimony. I mean, this trial is raising questions about mental health, control, justice. Take a minute, hit that like and subscribe button, and share Profiling Evil with your friends. Now, if you want to learn more about cult recruiting tactics, how cult leaders maintain control over their followers, people who are seemingly intelligent people that become criminals, pick up my book, Deceived, an investigative memoir of the Zion Society cult. You can find Deceived on Amazon, or if you want a personalized copy, I'm doing a special right now, free shipping in the United States, and I'll personalize it through my website at profilingevil.com. Now, Chloe Driver's trial, which centers on the murder of her 13-month-old daughter, Hannah, has drawn attention to the complexities of mental health in criminal cases. Driver's defense claims that she acted as an angel of mercy, believing she was sparing her child from suffering. Now, her mental state at the time of this murder is a key factor, with evidence getting presented of her psychotic episodes, by their opinion, marked by delusions, paranoia, and disordered thinking. Witnesses describe her belief that she and her child faced threats within this nomadic, polygamous lifestyle. I think the only thing that happened when the state put on that interesting witness yesterday talking about drinking his own urine was they reaffirmed the fact that Chloe Driver might be crazy. The question is, was she crazy, but she still knew what society's standards were, that it's against the law to murder your child? And that, I think, is the real key here and the thing that we need to get past. There's no question she may have been suffering from mental illness, but did she understand that her actions were illegal? Killing someone is wrong, and she still chose to do it anyway. Now, on the day of the murder in December of 2020, Driver reportedly locked herself and the child, Hannah, in a bedroom, then fatally stabbed the child, then attempted to harm herself. Now, investigators revealed that Driver admitted to the act, stating she felt trapped and overwhelmed by her circumstances. During hospital interviews, Driver expressed distress over Hannah's death, claiming that she acted out of desperation. Her comments referenced threats and influences of black magic, further highlighting her unstable state. She also kept asking for her husband, or common-law husband, and wanted to continue the relationship with him. Now, prosecutors argue that Driver understood the wrongfulness of her actions, citing premeditated internet searches and inquiries about biblical forgiveness for harming others. These searches, they argue, undermine the defense's claim of insanity. This trial's featuring evidence of Driver's video messages and written statements expressing fear and frustration about her life, further complicating the narrative. In Georgia, here's the key: the plea of not guilty by reason of insanity requires that the defense prove that Chloe Driver was unable to distinguish right from wrong due to mental illness. Now, that's the key here. It doesn't matter that she was mentally ill. What matters is if she understood the difference of right and wrong. If she understood it's against the law to murder a baby. And you know what? I kind of think going downstairs and getting that knife clandestinely, Locking the room so no one could stop her means she understood that what she was doing was wrong. And I think that's going to be key here. And I have a lot of compassion because this is a case of mental illness. But the question is, did she knowingly take the life of that little child? If the defense position is accepted, then Chloe would be committed to a psychiatric care unit instead of prison. Testimony in this case is going to include medical experts, police investigators, digital forensic analysis, and mental health evaluations, providing insight into her mental state and the actions leading up to this murder. The trial is delving into Driver's cult lifestyle and her interpersonal relationships. Remember, police interviewed Driver, and that revealed tensions with her husband, this guy Benjamin Ben Michael, who was described as controlling within the polygamist community. This dynamic, combined with financial struggles and social isolation, likely contributed to her psychological decline. So this case may serve as a standard as mental health becomes an increasingly prominent issue in criminal trials. Chloe Driver's case exemplifies the challenges of balancing these legal accountability responsibilities with having compassion for mental illness, and the outcome will depend on the jury's interpretation of her mental state and whether it meets the strict legal standards for insanity in Georgia. So there you go. Put your comments down below, and thanks for listening to Profiling Evil. Be sure to look for us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. And if you'd like more updates and emerging content, then make sure you're getting notified. Now, and if you enjoy audio podcasts, folks, don't forget to subscribe to Profiling Evil podcasts on your favorite podcast platform. You can visit our website at profilingevil.com and sign up for our digital newsletter, the BOLO. That stands for Be on the Lookout. It's exclusive to subscribers, and we promise to keep your information private. If you'd like to donate or purchase any of my books, check on the links down below. And stay tuned as we continue to follow this murder case down in Georgia. We'll see you soon at the next crime scene.